Welcome, everyone. Happy St. Patty's Day. Happy Veeam St. Partners Day. I'm here today to really have a good time with some coworkers of mine at Veeam Software. But before I start, my name is Gil Lowe. I'm the Director of Partner Sales for Veeam Software, managing CDW. CDW is one of our largest North American partners. And at CDW and Veeam, we pride ourselves on protecting customers' data, whether it's physical, virtual, or cloud workloads, and now Kubernetes workloads as well. But we want to help you with the full stack, whether it's cloud, services, hardware, software, and help you achieve your business outcomes. But here with me, I have a wonderful cast of people at Veeam, and we're going to start with Eileen De Roma. Eileen, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, everybody. Eileen DeRoma. I cover Connection nationally. Let me tell you a little bit about Connection, right? They were recognized by Forbes as one of the most trustworthy companies in America. They have one of the oldest sales forces in the industry, okay? Very tenured, oldest. It's awesome to work with them. Really, they have a family culture, okay? Their customers, you guys are their family. I had a sales rep tell me once that for Christmas, their customer brought them a present. So very, very awesome. We love working with Connection. If you haven't checked out one of their new commercials, go to YouTube, type in Connection for Pete's sake. Just shows how much they care about their customers.
Fantastic. Thanks, Eileen. Next, let's go to Jake Dahlman. Jake, introduce yourself.
Appreciate it, Gil. So Jake Dahlman, National Account Manager for the Veeam and SHI partnership. Super excited to be here today, Gil. This is going to be awesome. So SHI was the 2020 Veeam Impact Partner of the Year. Fantastic award, fantastic honor to be part of the partnership. SHI also Veeam's #1 enterprise partner, their #1 SLED partner, of Veeam accredited services providers. So they can help migrate data from your existing, your previous backup provider to Veeam as a Veeam accredited service provider. They got 1,400 sales resources across the globe. And honestly, they just rolled out a new company called Stratascale, focusing on the enterprise data center. So that's security, networking, data storage, data repository, everything from cloud. So that Stratascale team is new in 2021, just rolled it out. Veeam is a focus partner within that Stratascale organization. So again, SHI, fantastic partner with Veeam, and I'm sure fantastic partner with all of you customers out there.
Thanks, Jake. I appreciate that. Let's go to my guitar friend here, Matt Sullivan. Man, that's a nice setup you got there, buddy. Tell us about you and your accounts you cover.
Yes, thanks, Gil. So first, happy St. Partners Day, everybody. Thanks for joining us on LinkedIn Live. Really appreciate it. So Matt Sullivan, I am the National Account Manager for unique to this team, covering 2 different partners, Insight and Zones. And starting with Insight, I think it's safe to say, guys, that no partner understands Veeam better than Insight does. They have over 25 technical resources that have been through the Veeam certified engineer trainings. The requirement for a partner like this is 2. So talk about going above and beyond right there, right? They also offer a whole host of jumpstart to Veeam services, right? Where customers, once they get into Veeam, they can actually get them up and running and realize that that investment sooner, right? Get the most out of it with these services. And then on the back end, unique to this partner community is that Insight offers tier 1 first call support. So customers that work with Insight around Veeam, they can actually call Insight for technical support as well. So it's back to that one throat to choke sort of mentality, right? Fewer numbers to dial. So it's a fantastic partnership. And then they also have, for customers looking to host third-party data for their customers, they also have an cloud aggregator service as well that is unique, again, amongst the CRs. And that solution is also powered by Veeam. So it's a fantastic partnership, and the depth of knowledge at Insight is huge. And then Zones as well, they just launched ZBaaS, which is Zones Backup as a Service, right? Which is a service hosting customers Office 365 data, and everybody knows how important that is right now, that customers need to back up Office 365. So this is a managed service Zones offers where they're hosting customers Office 365 data in their cloud, and this is all powered by Veeam. So again, another great testament to the partnership and the collaboration between both my partners. So it's just been fantastic, and thanks so much, everybody, and I'll pass it back to you, Gil.
No problem. Thanks. That was amazing. 2 partners, pretty quick and succinct. I appreciate that, Sullivan. Next, let's go to Lindsay Brown. Lindsay, tell us about the partner that you cover for Veeam.
Thanks, Gil. Happy to be here. Thanks for hosting us. This is definitely Veeam's favorite holiday. I've been here 9 years and it hasn't gone uncelebrated. So good to see all your faces. Definitely want to talk a little bit about SoftChoice. I manage the SoftChoice account here at Veeam. SoftChoice has a phenomenal culture. A lot of reps seem to think it's very similar to Veeam, which is why we're the perfect match. At the end of the day, SoftChoice wants success for their people, which makes it a great company and a great company to work for, as well as success for their customers. Their mentality is to drive ROI for their customers in their traditional sense, right? That return on investment. But also, they want to reduce the customer spend and optimize the technology that they've already made an investment in and help innovate their business to really show success. And I think Veeam does that with a great ecosystem of partners that SoftChoice works with to ultimately tell a great story to the customer. So it's been phenomenal working with them, and we're happy to be here today.
Wow, that's amazing, Lindsay. Appreciate that. And you know, I have another person on the call. Her name is Nikki Batista. She definitely is on my team and covers the Southeast for CDW and Veeam. But she's also a really good Veeam social media influencer and helps us with Kahoot, which we're going to do our trivia today. So, Nikki, welcome. Thank you. Keep us all together, Nikki. All right, so let's move on. We're gonna move on to the map, okay? We're gonna see where is everyone calling from or looking at checking into us from LinkedIn all over the world, right? So here we go. You know, where you're watching from, if you have questions or comments, if you're a part of a partner that's on this call, you know, happy St. Partners Day, definitely comment below. If you're a customer and you want to learn more about Veeam through our partners that we have on today, comment below. You know, if you just want to help us win this trivia game, comment below on some of the answers so we can see what we can do. All right. So let's go ahead and get started with the trivia game. Here we go. Let's make sure we're all logged in. All right.
I'm in.
Okay, I'm in as well. Okay, here we go. We have Paris, Atlanta, Morocco, Malaysia, India, Texas, and Nashville also on the call. So that's where everyone's watching from. So that's a pretty good change of people. So let's go ahead and get started with this game. We're going to do a little Kahoot game and have some fun. Our Veeam Green LinkedIn St. Patrick's Day trivia. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. First question is, let's make it a little easy. Let's do a testing. Are you actually ready for this, team? All right, so are you ready? You can answer a few questions, 1, 2, whatever you want to do. Let's see if you got this. Ready? I'm submitted. I'm in. Everyone's got their questions. Looks like we're ready to rock.
I'm gonna win.
That's what I picked.
We're all gonna pick blue.
I'm gonna win. All right, we've got a plethora of answers here. Okay, first question on the docket. Remember, it's whoever answers the fastest, right? So that's why I got up there, you know. But hey, I'm just trying to win just like you are. Where does St. Patrick's Day originate? Good question. Where did St. Patrick's Day originate? Was it Ireland, Scotland, I like to golf, Germany, or United States of America? Where did St. Patrick's Day originate?
You're going easy on us, Gil. This is I don't know.
I'm gonna start easy. You know, we could kind of pinch Sully because he barely has green on, but you know, we'll see what we can do.
This is green. This is green. This whole shirt is green. It's a light green.
Oh, okay. That's the West
mint.
Coast.
It's a mint green. Yes.
All right, we got some people in there. We're moving it around. Here we go. Next question. All right. SoftChoice helps customers realize the value of what through data and customer successes. SoftChoice helps customers realize the value of blank through data and customer success.
Green beer. SoftChoice.
Green beer too.
Sure.
Go for one of those like soon.
Get lucky with the 4-leaf clovers as well.
Yeah, here we go. Oh, I like the 4-leaf clover. Here we go. All right, so here we go. It's the cloud, right? Lindsay, the cloud is kind of where their values are helping their customers, correct?
Absolutely. You know, the push to the cloud is a real thing, and Veeam can help protect those cloud workloads, no matter where they're sitting, whether it's hybrid cloud environment, multi-cloud, Veeam is there to protect those workloads moving there.
Love it. And now we not only work with Azure AWS, but what's the newest? Of course, IBM and some VCSP partners. But what's the newest cloud that we work with now? What's the newest one?
Google, GCP. We're excited for the partnership.
GCP on the board. All right, here we go. Next question. All right, next question.
Gil, real
Yes.
quick, do you have the pin?
Yes. What is the pin? Let's see here. I can find that. Oh, well, first of all, when is St. Patrick's Day? Let's answer that question.
No idea.
Brainbuster.
Today.
Today. Yeah, the pin is
Yeah, but
461.
what's today? That's the question.
461-5656 is the pin. Today is the question.
Anybody that wants to
Was
jump
this a
in.
trick question?
I know, right? Because some people got it wrong.
I'm guessing one of these is going to be a trick question.
We're trying to just mix it up, everybody. Here we go. All right, let's keep it going. True or false? Insight offers first call customer support for Veeam customers. Is that false or true?
You get my score up here. Here we go. Things are coming up selling now. Here we go.
It's a little longer to answer that because I'm not ingrained in inside business like Matt Sullivan is. And someone got it wrong. That was me.
Oh,
Matt, cheating.
There we go. It was, what was it? True, right? Here we go.
I mean, somebody wasn't paying attention to my intro because I mentioned it directly. So
Oh.
I clicked the green one. I'll admit it. I clicked the green
There we go. All right, let's go to the next question. We got another couple other questions here. Multi-select. Other names to refer to St. Patrick's Day are the day of the festival of Patrick, the feast of St. Patrick, the feast, St. Patrick's success. I do not know this one. This is a good one.
I just want some points. I want to kick some CDW butt. And
Oh, see, there we go. We love it, Connection. We're coming after you. I got that one wrong. I'll admit I got that one. This leaderboard is going to change. This leaderboard is going to change. Here we go.
Gil, I want the questions and answers ahead of time next time, please.
I'm sorry. We cannot cheat today. We had to make this Veeam Green St. Partners Day for a reason. Zone's backup as a service, ZBAS, is powered by Veeam. True or false? I think that could be.
it's tricky. It's tricky.
True. Matt Sullivan did mention that, you know. You want to say anything about that, Matt? Anything else?
Yeah,
or what?
no, it's just Zones came to us earlier this year and said, hey, look, we realize the importance of backing up Office 365. Veeam is our premier partner to do that. We want to tell the story of, hey, not just why Veeam for backup for Office 365, but why Zones and Veeam, right, together. So we collaborated, we built out this service. It just launched early February, and it's off to the races, and so far it's been great. And it's a huge opportunity for them and a huge solution for customers that need it. So very exciting.
I will add to that. Didn't Office 365 and Azure go down this week?
I was going to say, right now there might be it's something on a lot of people's minds after the last couple of days. Absolutely.
What does 4 hours downtime mean to you and your business? I guess that's the question. That's why you need Veeam for backup for Office 365. So great segue there. All right, let's go to the next question. And listen, I guarantee I don't have this rigged. I don't know how I'm still number one. I did get a bunch of these wrong. Veeam backup and replication version 11 combines which features? Storage snapshots, replication, backup, or CDP, continuous data protection. I think you can answer more than one. Yeah, you can. You can select more than one if you need to. What does that mean?
I can only select one.
You can only select one. I can select multiple.
I selected multiple.
Okay. Well.
IT glitch. We need some partners to help us out with that, Sally.
Yeah. IT glitch.
My first one I messed up too.
Yes.
You got 6 answers?
Someone on LinkedIn, help us out. Put the answers in the chat so we can cheat.
Yeah, there we go. So it was actually all of the above. With version 11, we're now 4 in 1. Storage snapshots, replication, backup, and CDP all in one. 4 in 1. So don't forget that, everybody out there. Really good solution for you. All right. There we go. We got some movement. Soft choices come up. I should have done that. I should have put CDW G Lowe. But, Lindsay, you're always thinking ahead of us. All right, let's go to the next one. All right. One of Connection's 2021 strategic initiatives is all reps learn how to Irish step dance, cloud and data center, wear green every day, or none of the above. I like step dancing. I need to see that. And it's Irish step dancing, huh? I mean, I used to do some step dancing back in the day in college, but it wasn't Irish.
I feel like it can't be that hard, right?
Can't be that hard. It
Or
can't
the
be
dance, you know, it looks easy.
Okay. Got 7 answers. Here we go. Cloud and data center. But now, didn't you do a Irish step dancing class or something?
Yeah, so thank you to all of the Connection customers and Connection reps and senior leadership who came with us together over the weekend and did some Irish step dancing. It was on Zoom, which was really, really fun. My ankles are, everything's still hurting. We were up on our toes and whatnot. But but cloud and data center is one of the strategic initiatives for Connection, right? As the trusted IT advisors, Connection reps, they really care about their customers, right? I mentioned that earlier. They really care about getting the right cloud solution, no matter what it is, especially for backup, into your hands as the customer, also in the right time, right? And for the best cost possible. So kudos to all the Connection folks on there.
Love it, love it. That sounds funny. A lot of below neighbors or neighbors to the side in apartments might not have been happy with that, but that's okay.
I heard our fearless leader, Bill Bergman, did some step dancing as well.
Yeah. I have pictures.
What?
I need to see that. The first St. Patrick's Day parade was in America. True or false?
I know this one.
Okay.
You do?
Yes.
Total guess.
Yeah, 50-50 shot.
You're like,
That. Yep. The answers. Oh, we got a couple people wrong. There we go.
Right.
Next. It's true. It was in America. All right, let's keep it going. All right, next question. When was the first St. Patrick's Day parade? When was it? That's a good question. Was it 1760, 1957, the year 2000? That's a great year. Or 1675? When was the first St. Patrick's Day parade?
I'm going with Veeam Green.
Wow.
All right.
Oh, I was wrong.
Yep. That's okay.
Yes.
1760.
Coming
Really
up
got
on you,
it right.
Nikki. I'm coming up on you, Nikki.
You can get a couple more questions in before we wrap it up. Which North American partner won Veeam's 2020 Impact Partner of the Year? Was it CDW, Soft Choice, SHI, or Insight? All right. Oh, I didn't even answer myself. Okay. I'm going to say always bet on red. Okay, here we go. SHI. Congrats again. Oh, Jake, I appreciate that. We're gonna go through a few more questions. We're in the rapid hour of these questions. All right. Veeam protects against, it's supposed to be against ransomware with this version 11 feature. Is it archive to cloud, hardened Linux repository, continuous data protection, or expanded instant recovery? I think we all know that on this call, right?
oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna keep going. It was the hardened Linux repository, which helps you with immutable backups to recover from ransomware. All right. Next, look at this leaderboard. It's moving. Sully's
Oh
moving.
yes.
All right.
Excited. Let's go.
What color should you wear on St. Patrick's Day? Hey, Veeam Green. You better not miss that one, everybody.
Veeam Green.
Let's go. Let's keep it going. All right.
Well, who gets it the fastest, right?
I know, right? Yeah.
Speed
All
round.
right. Speed round. What is St. Patrick's Day? Why is St. Patrick's Day celebrated in so many places? Oh, this is a harder one. Because Irish people live all over the world, because St. Patrick's Day inspired so many people around the world, because it's mainly a Christian holiday, because most countries around the world observe the Irish holiday. I bet on green. Oh, it was because Irish people live across the world, all over the world.
Move.
That was a trick question.
Wasn't it?
So excited.
Oh baby, yes. Coming
Which
from
North
behind.
American
Let's
partner
go.
received Veeam's Federal Partner of the Year for 2020? Was it Connection, SHI, Soft Choice, or CDW? Okay, we got that right. I always bet on CDW Red for government for this year, for 2020. That was right. I'm sure
Color
you got
coding.
to do something. You like the color code on that one? I
Yeah.
laid that up for you. All right, couple more. What city dyes its river green on St. Patrick's Day? Is it Pittsburgh, NYC, Denver, or Chicago?
Denver.
Denver.
Denver. Chicago. All right.
Psychological warfare.
So
All right.
I just heard Savannah does as well, but I feel like they're copying Chicago.
It does.
That's a cool city.
It might be an older city than Chicago, so it could have done it first.
It could have done. It could have done. But hey, where was the first parade held in the U.S.? What city?
New York.
New York. Was it New York, Boston, L.A.? What do you think?
New York.
Boston.
Chicago.
You know what? It was Boston. So I know I don't have that question up, but it was Boston.
Gotta be Boston.
All right. So hey, we're gonna wrap it up on the trivia right now. You know I can't win because I put the questions together. So the next person down is Matt Sullivan with
And
Came
I
from
threw a
behind.
question with a joke answer of the green beer to start things off. I just want that to be known.
yeah. And then also we had a few countries added in comments around South Florida, Romania. So we're definitely having people watch from across the world. But yeah, this St. Patrick's Day is an Irish holiday that goes across the world, as you found out. So amazing. Thank you all to joining. We've had a lot of fun here, but we want to talk about a couple things coming up next week, really, right? So before we leave, I mean, we've had a great time. Please wear your green, because if you don't wear your green, you will get pinched by somebody. We don't want you to get pinched all day, right? So wear your green. Oh, New York. New York's on there too. We just found out. I got a birdie in my ear that said New York was also on the list of people that came in. So, but no, hey, we have some really nice events coming up. So what kind of events do we have coming up? We'll show some events that we have for this week. I know that we have, let's see, where's coming up right now. First of all, Jake, what do you have today? You have an event, right?
Tonight, yes, 4:00 Central Time. We're doing a whiskey and beer tasting tonight. So yeah, going to be a great time.
Okay, that green beer looks amazing. So have some fun with that. Our next event, yours truly, I'm hosting a college basketball watch party with CDW. We've got the Jay Show, Jay Billis and Jay Williams. Coming on live Friday to watch games and give their color commentary. And then we've got an Irish coffee tasting event with Pure and Veeam and CDW as well. Thank you. Let's see. Go ahead, Sully. What are you doing with March Madness?
So this is an ongoing event for our commercial teams, but I want to talk about a different event today, everybody. In your 4 o'clock for your time zone across the country, we are doing trivia, V11, St. Patty's Day trivia games. So something similar to what we're doing here. So if you don't have an invite for that, reach out to me, reach out to somebody on the Veeam team on my side. We want to get you invited to that, but it's 4 o'clock across all time zones today. We are going to be doing an event for all of you. So make sure you're there. We're going to be raffling off Uber Eats gift cards, Travis Matthew polos, and a whole lot of fun stuff. So please join us.
No guitars, huh? Okay, just making sure.
No guitars this time around. No, next time.
All right.
Green guitar.
And Eileen, what do we have going for you?
So next week, I want to see all my Veeam champions at the REI event. It's not St. Patrick's Day because that's not next week. Wednesday at 4 o'clock Pacific time, we're getting together with REI, the retailer, and giving out $100 gift cards there. So certainly reach out to me if you don't have the invite. We'll love to see you all there.
Love it. I love it. Then we've got another event with Soft Choice. Lindsay, what do we have here?
Yeah, we have a great event coming up, virtual beer tasting experience with the Soft Choice team. So any customers that want to join, feel free. We'll get the invite out to you guys. And come hear about V11 and all the new features and functionality that come along with that, as well as backup for Office 365.
Love it. Okay. So, and then one more for you, Sullivan.
Last but not least, in zones, guys. So we've been doing some trivia, happy hour kind of things all week long. If you've attended one of those, you have the secret code word, right? If you didn't attend and didn't get the secret code word, reach out to me, reach out to Natalie Maldonado, somebody on our team, and we will give us a customer. We need something, right? It's a give-get. Give us a customer that you want to have a conversation around Veeam. We'll give you the code word. Bring the code word to our virtual floor day tomorrow, okay? And give us there, and we're going to be raffling off all kinds of fun stuff: shirts, gift cards, and also like a drone or something. So we've got some really cool stuff. Bring it tomorrow with the secret code word.
I like the secret decoder code word. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
All right, so to wrap this up, we really appreciate it. I know this is one of our favorite holidays because of our colors and what we can do, and we're so festive and we have a good time and learning the Veeam Green. St. Partners Day. That's what it's all about. Next year, we'll have even more partners coming in and telling their value pitches and how they help you with your business outcomes. But next week, we do have World Backup Day. All right, so World Backup Day is coming next week, and March 31st. Did you know it's World Backup Day? Well, we're going to have a Rick Red Vanover and our Veeam Vanguards are going to be on, and they're going to do a LinkedIn Live session. We're going to be giving away free swag. We're going to give away different gadgets. Now, go online. There's ways that you can win it. If you use one of our virtual backgrounds, you're going to be able to get an avatar if you're picked as one of the lucky winners as well, too. So it's going to be really fun. Be ready for that on the 31st of March. All right. So, team, did you have fun? That was fun, right?
Yeah.
Definitely fun. That was awesome.
Let's do this every week.
Yeah,
That's right. The world, did you have fun? I hope the world had fun. So we all did, but happy St. Partners Day. I believe, let's see, we've got, I guess that's it. That's all we have right now. I mean, I got a bunch of green on. I'm ready to get, I'm ready to go play some bagpipe drums or something. I was in a actual bagpipe band and I played tenor drums and I wore a kilt. I don't have a kilt on right now, but I have on all green. But hey, you know what? Next time I'll show you some of those bagpipe tenor drum skills.
Somebody reach out to Gil's mom. We need pictures and video of that.
Yeah, those were all burned. Those were all burned, but I'll find those one day. All right.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, world.
Thanks,
Happy
Steve.
St. Partners Day.
Bye-bye.
Hey.
Thanks for joining.